Welcome back, my friends. We're here to talk about Wendy's stock. Before I get started, hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe because I'll be covering the entire squeeze. First, I'm going to talk about Wendy's going global. Now, this is the biggest positive Wendy's has going for it, expanding overseas, expanding to China, expanding to Italy, expanding to Australia. It is going to make buku bucks in other countries across the globe. And I think that's going to be talked about more and more as a fundamental thesis on Wendy's stock because it's there. It is definitely there. Wendy's is a fine restaurant. It was ranked number 5 out of the top 50 fast food restaurants. It was ranked 5th, just a couple spots away from McDonald's, which trades at a $190 billion market cap. Wendy's, like 1.5, 1.6 billion. All right. It is less than 1% of the market cap of McDonald's, yet it's only a few notches below. So watch them keep expanding overseas, globally, and I believe they're going to flourish in that. By the way, none of this is financial advice. Check this out. If you guys are technical analysts, then you're familiar with the term Wyckoff. Wyckoff accumulation is a pattern after a downtrend, and you get certain movement that tells you it's about to start moving back up. Okay, and there's different phases of it. And what I noticed was that on the daily, you are forming a Wyckoff accumulation pattern after said downtrend from $25. So check this out. Let me know what you guys think. It was pretty apparent to me. You have everything lining up, man, so perfectly, especially with that spring down to $6 right there. Look right here. There's always a spring, which is the lowest low. And then it has a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low. Makes an uptrend, bull flag, breakout. Look what's going on. Uptrend, not really a bull flag, because this is a stock that has so much momentum that sometimes when there's so much attention and volume going on, it just foregoes all TA. But yeah, beautiful Wyckoff pattern right there. Check this out. I asked Grok which meme stock has the strongest momentum at the moment. It says Wendy's. Currently shows the strongest short-term meme stock momentum driven by explosive Reddit social media hype, social buzz, recent price action, meme characteristics. Wendy's has been a joke on Reddit for years. The mimetic interests of this stock are why it's going to explode. One of the reasons. Sir, this is a Wendy's. It's a joke you can say anytime when somebody says something that's like non sequitur or like inappropriate for the situation. You'd be like, sir, this is a Wendy's. It's a joke. And when you make people laugh, they like to buy. All right. Now I'm talking about the put options that expire next week. What is that? July 10th expiry date. So you have put options. Yeah, July 10th. You have, if you add up all these in the OI, there's about 150,000 between $8.50 to $6.50. I made a video on this yesterday. You can watch that. If these expire worthless or near worthless, you will see the opposite of a gamma squeeze, which is called a gamma unwind. Because when you buy put options from a market maker, they sell shares or short shares into the market. When these expire worthless, if they do, who knows what's going to happen this week, then the market makers start to buy back those shares. Now, will they buy back 15 million shares? Probably not. Maybe closer to a couple million. Who really knows? I have no idea. But you would see a gamma unwind that would create some green pressure on the chart. And then lastly, I wanted to talk about how do you know when the squeeze is over? Really simple. The short interest right now is like 30 something percent. That short interest will go to low single digits or zero. the cost to borrow will have a huge, sharp decrease down to super low numbers. And you will also have a super sharp decrease with utilization. Utilization right now is like 95%. The best source that I know of is Ortex for this data. S3 Partners is also really good, but just want to help you guys out. I want you guys to make money and have fun. A lot of times people coming into these meme stocks, they don't have a lot of experience. And so I just want to give a general rule of thumb when you're playing a squeeze. These are the things to look for. All right, guys. I love you so much. I'll see you for the live stream. I'll be on in a couple hours, man. Wendy's stock is my life. Maybe I'll just go on right now. I mean, I'll see you guys there. Burgers in the chat.